Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cameron for those of you that are new here, and this is Beauty with Cameron. Peep, the shirt is cute. It's cute. It's cute. But why the brats always gotta add a fifth person to the mix? Like, we got our original four, and then we got this random girl. Who is she? Who is she? Today we have a different type of video. This video is actually my first unboxing video, and I'm going to be unboxing the Made by Mitchell curve case. Now, if you don't know what the curve case is, the curve case is a makeup palette that has different shades for contouring and different shades for blush, ranging from light to dark. You can probably use these for other things, but this is my first time having this product and I want to see what it's about. So let's open it up and see. So when you first get the curve case, this is how it looks. I'm assuming that this is just a box because it's still in plastic, so this might not be how it actually looks, but this is how the box looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Damn, they really wrapped this mug. This is so... Baby, where are my scissors at? Like this, like I have my fingernails, but they cannot open this. Let me try something else. There we go, the edge brush. The edge brush did it. It doesn't want to come out the box. Like, Made by Mitchell, golly. I had to rip the freaking box because this shit is so... This is how the curve case looks. This is really cute. Hold on, this is really cute. Hold on, I'm a little excited. I always thought that it would look so much bigger in person.
That's what she said.
Honestly, I'm not mad at the size of this thing. I only got this for like $14. Like, I got it on a good sale. It's usually like 30, I think like $35. So $14, that's not bad. Before we open it, let's go over the shades. I got the deep dark palette, so this is going to be like the deeper shades, or not deep dark, I'm thinking of Juvia's Place. They do have like deeper, darker shades. Yeah, let's go over the names of the shades. So the first shade for blush is Cherry Cola, the second one is Cowlick, the third one is Where's the SPF, and the fourth one is Mango Daiquiri. And then as far as like the contours and the browns, we have the deepest shade being Habituation, the second deepest shade being Blend and Snatch, the third deepest shade being Shade and Laid, and the fourth deepest shade is Chocolate Charm. This is how it looks, and then this is how the back looks. You can see all the shades. I'm just gonna open it now. Ooh, it looks like paint. It reminds me of paint. I like that they have the shades on the back so you can know like what you're going into. Also, I'm so excited to experiment and start using orange blushes. I have a couple of different blushes. I have a few pinks, a few like purplish pinks, and then like maybe some coral tone blushes, but I don't have any like orangey, I don't have any purple blushes. Although there isn't a purple blush in this, there's some nice oranges and reds, and I'm excited to try these colors. I have not used any of these colors as far as like blush, so this is fun. And then even the contour, like the browns, baby. I use the Fenty, like the contour stick from Fenty. That's what I've been using this whole time pretty much, and love her to death, love her down. She gets the job done, but I feel like I need different shades to like really see what's working for me and what's not. Sometimes I feel like it doesn't show up the best on my skin or on my makeup once I'm done. I feel like it kind of blends into like the rest. Having these deeper shades, it's about to get good, because I've been really needing more contour shades. I just have that one shade and I'm tired of her. Like, I need to see what else is out there. So Made by Mitchell, we're gonna see what you're talking about. I do already own a few Made by Mitchell products. I have a few of his glosses or their glosses. I don't know if Made by Mitchell is a woman or a man or their pronouns or anything, but I have a few glosses by them and I like the glosses. I do. They show up really nice. I've heard nothing but good things about this palette. I haven't heard anything bad about this palette. Definitely excited to try this out and see what it's hitting on. I'm definitely excited to see what it's hitting on. Oh my gosh, like I'd love people to do like swatch tests right now. I should. This orange on me. Swatch test isn't really going how I thought it would. I mean, I guess you can kind of see the swatches. Yeah, so that's the orange. Probably get a little bit more of it. That's like the orange. It's not really showing up the best. Let's try this reddish looking blush, because this looks very pigmented. Oh yeah, see this? Next, I'm gonna do this pink. This is the cowlick. What's crazy is when I was like reading these names for these colors, I didn't even trip off the fact that it's named cowlick. Why is it named that? That's cowlick. Pretty cute. My fingers. I'm doing this with this white shirt on. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? The one at the top, that's the one I just did. Ooh, that's pretty. That's cherry cola. That's pretty. That's gonna be nice when we get into that. Ran out of fingers. But I do want to swatch the browns, so I'm swatching on this arm. This is the lightest brown. This one is chocolate charm. And this would be good for me to figure out exactly what color I want to use when I'm contouring too. Swatching is always good when you get new makeup. So that's chocolate charm. Next is Shade and Laid. That's nice too. I'm seeing that I'm probably gonna need a deeper one for when I contour. I'm gonna need one of these deeper shades. Blend and Snatch is the one we're swatching next. That's this one. You can't really see it that great, but yeah, let me try to put some more on there. Let's see what this last one looks like. I'm gonna swatch it at the top of my wrist, so I don't have to keep going down my arm. Okay. We got 4 different browns. I'm excited. I'm excited. I did it. Swatched every single one. Every single one. Swatched. That's such a weird word. This has been my Made by Mitchell curve case unboxing. Let me know if you own the Made by Mitchell curve case and how do you like it? What shades do you use? Which palette did you get? Do you have any other Made by Mitchell products? Like, let's talk Made by Mitchell in the comments. I want to know. Like, I want to know. I'm new to the Made by Mitchell curve case community. Welcome me in and let's talk about it. On that note, I'm going to leave you guys with this, and yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Bye, y'all. I'm so excited, like seeing my curve case in my vanity. I'm just like, bitch, like, oh my gosh, like that low-key feel unreal. I have a fucking curve case and it's in my vanity and I get to use it. I've been wanting this for so long.